website that is very important for this thing. We will create a platform, and then teachers until between 3 o'clock and 3 o'clock, from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock. When they finish, there'll be a lesson on a subject. On mathematics, for example. We're using those subjects, those subjects have got teachers in Anton Lembede. If we wanted to do accounting, we know that there's a teacher there already. But if we wanted to do, for example, geography, we don't have a teacher there. We have to find a way to get a teacher from a school, take him or her to Anton Lembede, train him on how to use the devices there, and so on and so forth. So we're going to utilize those teachers for those subjects. So Monday, and I think Monday is going to be from 4 o'clock to 3 o'clock. It could be from 4:30, so from 2:30 to 3:30, depending on what time we agree as a branch. Ukuthi mhlambe 2 o'clock ingane zithathe classini in front of the progressed educator, and then 4 to 5, depending. But then we'll have a teacher standing in front of a device and teaching. Learners will all be accessing that. Now, learners who are in close vicinity of the smart schools in districts, they will access that lesson through those smart classrooms. But learners who opt to go home and say, Wi-Fi, tablet, the link will be broadly available across the province. And we were saying, we want, if we finish EMIS on Monday, from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock, on Tuesday it must also be EMIS. So EMIS must be Monday and Tuesday. So that teacher, when a province, depending how many learners are connected at a time. So in Ghana, he might give them some little bit of homework or a question that they need to go and whatever, do some research on it and come back the next day. So day 1 and day 2 will be maths and physics, but day 3 and day 4 will be life sciences and accounting, and then day 5 will be history. But we can always adjust the timetable as and when we finalize the program after we've presented to the district director. But basically, how is it going to work? It's going to be a link that is given to learners, and the link will last the whole year. Starting in April, so the link is available. The same link, wherever you are, you can be in Johannesburg, you can be in Cape Town, the same link. You click at the link at 2 o'clock, you see a mathematics teacher.